Hi everyone.
Is it still not started?
Hi, all. Good morning.
Hi sir.
Hi, sir. Very good morning.
Hi, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good morning and good evening. Okay. We'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes, then we'll start. Okay.
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 So today, anyone joined?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. So yesterday, just I explained, what is Mulesoft, what is the use of this Mulesoft. So if you want to work with Mulesoft, what and all the softwares required, and apart from this, how we'll get the requirement from the manager, and also like what and all the pages there in Mulesoft. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All we discussed, right? So today onwards, we are going to start our actual classes. Okay. So here I'm going to teach you, complete practical sessions. So theory will be like a 5 to 10%. So complete session will be practical. Every session will be hands-on session. So for theory, I'm going to provide you, all the materials. See, interview questions, PPTs. Let's say, like, whenever you are going for interview, very first time, they may ask you self details, right? See how you need to explain the self details to the interviewer. Then immediately they may ask you a question, hey, what are all the roles and responsibilities in your current project? So you have to explain these roles and all. So I wrote very clearly each and every point. You just go through this. Okay. And moreover, they may ask you project, right? What is your current project? In that project, what is your source? What is your target? So they may ask you these kind of questions. Apart from that, I prepared all the, interview questions. So again, they may ask you what are all the best standards which you are going to follow for your current project. Okay. మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఏం వాడతారు మీరు? కోడింగ్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఏంది, నేమింగ్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ ఏంది, మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని అడుగుతారు అనమాట. ప్రతి దానికి నేను ప్రాపర్గా డాక్యుమెంట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేశాను. ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్ మీకు ఇచ్చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ 5-6 classes or 10 classes, I'm going to provide you this complete PPT with you. Okay. See, similar way you have to, create PPT on daily basis. Daily I can give you some interview questions. You have to prepare like this. If I give interview question, you can keep heading like this with some color, and answer should be in different color. Like this you have to prepare it on daily basis. Okay. This is one. Apart from this, see, I do have, so many interview questions. So questions, answers will be there. I'm going to provide you all this interview questions. See, questions, answers will be there. If you prepare all these questions, damn sure you are going to crack the interview. Okay. See, I handled so many batches, guys. In that, some people who spent, at least 2 hours on daily basis for this Mulesoft, they got job, after completion of course. See, frankly saying, 1 or 2 girls got, within a week. Okay. And one more thing, some people, they got offer within 10 days, 1 month. Some people got after 2 months. See, depending upon how you are, putting your efforts into this course. Hello sir, good evening. One of my friend cannot join with this batch. Will there any other batch will start like next month? This month only I'm going to start one more batch. Okay, I'll update you guys. Okay. So all these interview questions I can share with you. And apart from this, I'm going to provide, proper PPT and with the screenshots as well. See how you need to, do it complete, with the screenshots. I'm going to provide you all these documents. Okay. Clear? And some cookbook will be there. So here we are going to explain each and every connector. What this connector component will do, everything. We wrote a short description on this. Okay. Don't worry about this, theoretical part. Theoretical part, anyway, you guys can read it. Okay. So any questions on it?
No, sir. Okay.
Okay.
సార్ ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ, దీని మీల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చెప్తుంది కదా సార్, అది కూడా చెప్తారా?
ఏంటండి?
ఇది సారీ, మైగ్రేషన్ ఉంది కదా సార్, మైగ్రేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ కూడా చెప్తారా సార్ మాకు దీంట్లో? ఇప్పుడు మీరు
మైగ్రేషన్ మీకు ఆల్రెడీ డాక్యుమెంట్ లో ఇచ్చాను ఎలా చేయాలి అని.
ఓకే.
యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే మైగ్రేషన్ డైరెక్ట్ ఒక జార్ ఉంటుంది, మ్యూల్ అసిస్టెంట్ జార్ రన్నర్ అని. అది యూజ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది అంటే మ్యూల్ 3 ఉండే ప్రాజెక్ట్ మ్యూల్ 4 కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది. బట్ నీకు చాలా ఎర్రర్స్ వచ్చాయి, చాలా అంటే చాలా. ఎందుకు అంటే మ్యూల్ 3కి మ్యూల్ 4కి చాలా డిఫరెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ డిఫరెన్సెస్ అన్ని మీకు ఎర్రర్ లాగా వస్తాయి. ఓకేనా? Everything I mentioned in the document. Okay, మీరు ఒకసారి
అంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ పీపీటీలో చూపించారు కదా సార్, ఇట్లా మైగ్రేషన్ చేసాం ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో ఈ వర్క్ నుంచి ప్లస్ 3.45 నుంచి 4 కి చేశాను కదా అంటే మనకు వర్క్ రాదు కదా, జస్ట్ మనం ఎట్లా మనం ఫార్వర్డ్ అవ్వగలమా లేదా అని మైగ్రేషన్ చేయమంటే అని డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
నీకు మైగ్రేషన్ చేయమని చెప్పరు. ఎందుకు అంటే ఇప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ ఆల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అనేవి Mule 4 మీదే రన్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే,
నాకు ఎక్కువ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి అప్పుడు Mule 3 కూడా వర్క్ చేశాను. ఓకే
ఓకే, ఓకే.
యా ఓకే.
డైలీ బేసిస్ డైలీ షేర్ చేస్తారా లేకపోతే మొత్తం అయిపోయింది?
డైలీ మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తానండి. డైలీ నేను చెప్పినది మీరు ఇలా పీపీటీ తయారు చేయాలి. నేను ఎలా చేశానో
ఓకే,
మీరు ఇలా చేయాలన్నమాట డైలీ. ఓకేనా? చేశాక నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను. వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేస్తాను. మీకు ఏమైనా ఎర్రర్లు వచ్చినా ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చినా అందులో పోస్ట్ చేయాలి మీరు. లెట్స్ సే మీకు టాస్క్ ఇచ్చాను అనుకో, టాస్క్ ఫినిష్ అయితే అది కూడా పోస్ట్ చేయాలి అక్కడ. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్?
క్లియర్.
తర్వాత
సారీ టు ఇంటర్వ్యూ సార్, పిఏ వచ్చేసి 2 ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్స్ లో పే చేయొచ్చు సార్ మీకు?
2 ఇన్స్టాల్మెంట్ మీరు పే చేయొచ్చు. 8+7
ఓకే,
15 days టైం తీసుకొని పే చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా?
కంప్లీట్ గా కోడింగ్ ఉంటుందా అండి లేకపోతే మినిమల్ కోడ్?
అదే అండి, మీరు యూ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు అటెండ్ 2 to 3 classes. You will come to know. I told you, right, 3 free classes will be there. You can see today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, so that you will come to know. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So in last class we discussed how many pages are there in Mulesoft?
3 pages.
3 pages. What are they?
Design, development, and deployment.
Very good. Design, development, and as well as deployment. Total 3 pages will be there. Okay. So for design, we are going to spend 10 days, 8 to 10 days, and remaining 23 classes we are going to spend development.
Please help me.
Sorry. One second. Okay, please everyone go on mute. Okay. So design, I'm going to spend 8 to 10 days. For development, I'm going to spend almost 24 classes. And for deployment, I will take 1 class. Okay. Total 35 classes I will take. After that, again 2 classes I will take. 1 class for your resume preparation, your experience. If you want to go with some experience, if you have some gaps, that and all we will discuss in 1 class. In another class, I will show you 1 real-time project, end to end. Like what and all we discussed up to now. So same we used in the project or not, that I can showcase to you guys. Okay. You can consider it as total 37 classes. Okay. Some classes may be like only 30 minutes, 35 minutes will be there, depending upon the topic. Okay. Sometimes we are going to extend the class maybe more than 1 hour. That depends on your queries and all. Okay. Okay. So now first we will talk about design. Okay. So for design purpose, we are going to use 1 application. Okay. That application name is Anypoint Platform. Okay. So here what I'll do, I'm going to post this link in the chat box, guys. One second. Anypoint.mulesoft.com. Okay, this links. Okay, I'll post in the chat box. Okay, I posted in the chat box. Can someone copy? And you can keep it somewhere in your notepad or wordpad, wherever you want, you can keep it. Okay. So the moment you open this, if you click on this link, it will take to you this page. Your page will be look like this. See, this application is much similar to Facebook. How we are going to create account in Facebook or Gmail. Similar way, it will ask you some details. Okay. See, right now what it is asking, username, password, sign in. We did not create any account, right? We do not have any access, right? So we don't have any account. Can you see? Don't have account. Click on sign in, sign up me. Okay. Just click on this sign up. The moment you click on sign up, it will take to you this page. So here you have to provide some basic details like your full name, okay, mail address, let's say abcd@gmail.com. Okay, don't give like this, okay? You can provide your valid username, okay? And then you can provide a mobile name, mobile number, and then keep some company name. See, if you are guys working with your company, you can keep it. If you are not working, you can put your dream company like Google or Microsoft or whatever it may be, okay? And the username, you can select it, okay? Let's say I'm giving 24th batch. Okay, don't give like this, okay? You can create with your name. And then password. Okay, at least you can provide one uppercase character, one lowercase letter, and any special character, and minimum length should be at least 7 to 8 characters. Okay. Then click on these two check boxes and then accept and create account. So the moment you click on this, you may get like this, verify email. Click on not now. Okay. See, once you log into this AnyPoint platform, you could see all these details. Oh, something they added new. Today I'm seeing this AnyPoint code builder. Okay. Basically, up to yesterday, we don't have this. From here, it got started. Design Center, Exchange, Studio. And then you can see some data graph, management, and all this will be there. Okay. And here, whatever you can see here, same you can see here. Can you see the 3 horizontal lines over here? Just click on it and you can see all these things. Okay. So either you can select here or you can select any service here. Okay. I told you right yesterday why Mulesoft is more popular, because
All
all
services.
services are available at one single place. So these
Yes.
are the services, guys. Let's say you want to monitor your application. So you can select this option. Okay. But in other tools, we are not able to find this. For this, again, we need to buy a new subscription. For that, we have to pay extra amount. Okay. So that's why other tools are not popular compared to this Mule. Okay. Next. So I'm going to explain each and everything in detail, guys. Design Center, Exchange, Studio, all this I'm going to explain. Okay. So today what I will do, I am going to build a simple RESTful API. Okay. Then what I will do, tomorrow, whatever application I design, that I'm going to import to Studio. Then I will start development. Okay. We'll see how it is going to work. See, if you want to create any kind of API, first we have to go with the Design Center. Can you see? Start design. You can select this option or you can go here and select this Design Center. Both it will take to you same page. Okay, can you see here? They created like this. Now what I will do, I'll click on this icon. It will take to you home page. Again, if I'm clicking here, you can compare it, whether it will take to you same page or different. Same, right? Okay. So now here nothing will be there. API projects, you do not have any API. Why? Because this is the brand new account. Just now we created, right? Now what we'll do, we will create a new project. If you want to create a new API, click on this, create. You will get so many options. Okay. First of all, what do you mean by API? Anyone having any idea?
application interface.
Application programming interface.
Application
Programming interface.
Very good. Very good. So are you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, great. You can see. I'll give you one example for this API. You can see API is nothing but application programming interface. What it will do, it is going to exchange the information between two parties. Okay. Through Zoom we connected, right? So Zoom also one of the API, you can call it. Here I am giving some information, you are taking some information, right? So in similar way, you can see here, you guys are, most of the time, you will go to, restaurant, right? So once you reach restaurant, what you will do?
Place an order?
Directly you will place order, you will take a menu, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So first what you will do, you are going to check with the menu. Okay. Then based on your interest, your like, you are going to give some order, right? Anything. So who is going to take your order? Waiter will come. He is going to take your order. Okay. Same order, where he will pass?
Kitchen.
Very good. So he is going to take order from the customer. Same order he is going to pass to the kitchen. Who will take this order in the kitchen?
Oh, master. I mean,
Chef will take your request. Okay. Based on your request, what he will do? He is going to prepare some response. Okay. Again, that response is going to hand over to waiter. What this guy waiter will do? Waiter will take same response and is going to deliver to the customer. Here, waiter will act as an API. Understood?
yes, sir.
The API is nothing but simply we are giving some request and it is going to give some response. Got it?
Yes.
So
Yes,
here
sir.
what we'll do, we are going to construct one API. Okay. See, if I click on this plus button, I got so many options, right? Which one I need to select?
API specific.
New API specification.
Okay. Why not fragment? New fragment.
Fragment means it is a multiple APIs.
Okay,
I
I
think
will
so
tell
that
you.
is used for
Okay.
bulk APIs.
If you want to know this, what you need to do, first you have to know all these things. Okay. This all, options we will cover in coming classes. First, whatever he said, that is correct. New API specification. Okay. Here we are going to create a API, not fragment. Okay. Can you see here? New project from scratch. If you want to create a scratch means starting. So select this option. So it is asking project name. Who is going to provide this project name?
Client.
Client. No.
We receive
Functional manager.
I told you,
manager.
right? How we'll get the requirement?
so we will get the requirement from manager or client. Through
Client will give you the requirement to the company. In company, we have some architects or scrum masters or managers. What they will do, they are going to prepare some project documents. Okay. HLD, high level document, low level document, data mapping sheets. Like this, they are going to create all the documents and they can provide to us. Okay. In the document, project name will be there. Understood?
Yes.
So here we will provide that name. Let's say my project name is calculator API. Okay. So what we'll do with the calculator API? Calculator తో ఏం చేస్తాం? What will do with the calculator?
We do the
Addition,
additions or
multiple.
subtraction.
Addition,
We
subtraction.
can
Calculations,
perform some mathematical
calculations.
operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay.
Operations.
Yeah. We'll see how we are going to create that. Here, can you see specification language? What it is showing? Which language it is?
Ramel.
RAML or AML. So RAML is nothing but RESTful API modeling language. So here we have one more option, RAML version 1.0 and 0.8. Okay. So RAML 1.0 is the latest version, 0. Okay. See guys, if you are dealing with the foreign clients, okay, if you are talking with the other country people, wherever you can see 0, you can pronounce it as wo. Okay. Why? Because 0 they will pronounce it as wo. So if you pronounce like this in the meetings and all, okay, they will think, okay, this guy already will have some, experience while handling with the clients and all. You will get some good impression. Okay. So on daily basis, I will tell you what and all the terminology you need to use while talking with your manager or some clients, what and all the words you need to use. Okay. We'll discuss all these things. So you guys are using laptop, right? So in client meetings, we should not call laptop. We can call it as what?
Machine.
Very good. Machine. Okay. Don't call it as laptop. My laptop is not working. My laptop is hanging. Don't say like this. Okay. Machine. Okay. Some terminology you need to change it. That's it. Even if you don't know anything, if you are, talking like this, they will come to know you have real genuine experience. Okay. I think many people are working here, they know very well. But why I'm saying all this, some people will be very new to this. So that's why I'm explaining all this. Okay. So now today I'm giving one interview question, guys. Okay. So can you tell me the difference between RAML version 1.0 and 0.8? Okay. So make sure, try to prepare this interview question. Try to make a note somewhere. Okay. Whatever the links I'm going to provide, interview questions, everything, you can make it some document. Okay. Next, scroll down, don't touch anything, just provide the
Could you
project
please
name.
repeat the abbreviation of RAML?
RESTful API modeling language.
Okay.
I'll provide notes. Okay. Don't write anything. Okay. For each and everything, I'll provide notes. Create API. Just you have to provide the project name and then click on finish. So the moment you click on finish, it will take to you this page. Okay. Can you see here? What is this?
RAML 1.1.
Version.
RAML version. What is this?
Title calculator API.
This is the RAML version,
Project.
language version.
Project
And then
name.
this is
Project
our project name. Okay. Now, can you see here? Here we have 4 partitions, right or wrong? 1, this is one complete area. 2, then 3, 4. 4 partitions will be there, right? I'll show you what is the use of this, how we can call this. Okay. In the API designer, we have 4 partitions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Whatever you can see in your left hand side, file browser. Okay. This area we can call it as file browser. You can see files. In this file browser, what we will do, you can keep all your files and folders. All your project files, folders, you can keep here. Okay. Next, what is this area? Editor. So in this editor, why they are calling editor? Because we are editing, right?
Yes.
So that's why they can call it as editor. Okay. And whatever you can see this, we can call it as API console. Let's say if you are writing something, it will print over here. Let's say, let me write protocols. See, the moment I wrote protocols, it is displaying supported protocols. Let me select HTTP. The supported protocols HTTP. This area we can call it as console, API console. Okay. And the other one is like last one is chef. Okay. In this chef, what will happen? We will get some intelligence. I told you, right, in Mulesoft, there is no coding. We are not going to write any coding. What we will do, everything it will come automatically. Just we have to select it. Okay. This area we can call it as chef. Okay. Now you guys tell me what is this area?
It is called
File browser.
File
File
browser.
browser. What is this?
Editor.
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 API console.
API
console.
API console. Very good. This
Shell.
Shell.
Yep. Okay, very good. So this is clear, right? Any questions on it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
And yeah, you go on.
Okay. So if you are writing something in other languages, we need to save that, right? Whatever you are, implemented, every time we need to save this, right? Application.
Yes.
Here you don't want to save it, okay? Automatically it will save. Can you see? Saved few seconds ago. You can see here as well. Okay. Okay. Now, in RAML, we have root session. Okay. Let me open this RAML. Can you see RAML? So RAML is nothing but RESTful API modeling language. So RAML will have some structure. Okay. In RAML, 3 sections are there: root session, header session, body. Okay. First, what we need to see? Root session, right? So if you
Yes.
go here, can you see there is a root session? Okay. So once you hit enter, you can see root section. So in this, these are all optional. Okay. If you want to use it, you can use it. Otherwise, leave it. That depends on your wish. These are all optional parameters. Okay. First, what I will do, I will select version. Version V1. See, the moment I wrote here, automatically it got displayed here. So what is this version V1 and what is this 1.0?
RAML is version is but the language version. This is application version V1.
Very good. So RAML is the language version. We cannot change this. Okay. This is the API version. API version, you can change it anytime. See, like this, if you write it, it will consider. But if you write it, it won't take it. Can you see? 1.0.k. It is not showing preview. It is not giving any intelligence. See, we are not getting anything. Why? Because no such version is available. There is no version like that. Now, can you see if you hit enter, you are getting the chef. Okay. So make sure don't change the language version. Try to change your API version. This is your API. You can change it. Next, hit enter. Again, in the root, if you want, you can select one more. Let me select with the protocols. So what is this HTTP?
The hypertext
Hypertext markup language.
Protocol.
is a language.
Very good. Hypertext transfer protocol.
Protocol.
Okay. What is HTTPS?
This is
Security.
Hypertext transfer protocol security.
Okay. Can you tell me the exact difference between HTTP and HTTPS?
ఇది HTTPS అంటే ఇది ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ ఎన్స్క్రిప్షన్ ఇస్తుంది సార్. అంటే హ్యూమన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ నుండి మిషన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లోకి వెళ్తుంది అని నాకు తెలుసు.
Mm-hmm.
But security is that it
Yes,
won't allow to do another.
Exact difference. HTTP, HTTPS.
It is a security
HTTPS
protocol.
is more secure.
HTTPS means that means security added is there.
Very good. The exact difference between HTTP and HTTPS is security, right? So the moment you will answer like this, interviewer, he may ask you one more question. Hey, you said HTTPS is security. That is fine. What kind of security it is going to provide and how it is going to provide?
End-to-end encryption.
Encryption.
Very good. End-to-end encryption means? Again,
లాంగ్వేజ్
they may ask you this kind of question.
మిషన్ లాంగ్వేజ్
Readable format.
Why we need to do like this? Normally we can send the message, right? Why we need to encrypt and decrypt?
No
Non-human.
third party agent will
Hack.
be
Hack is not possible.
Very good. So let's say you can see this application. There is a lock symbol, right? That means here they use HTTPS. So if you are using HTTPS, if you are sending any information, let's say, let me click on this. For this also, can you see there is a lock symbol? Okay. Some websites, they don't have this lock symbol. Okay. So anyway, this site is not working. For this, there is no lock symbol. Why? Because they are not going to use security. If you are using security, what will happen? See, let's say you guys are using banking application, right? Internet banking.
yes.
Okay. So I'll show you small example. సో ఇక్కడ యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చా, పాస్వర్డ్ ఏమి ఇస్తున్నా అంటే 123 ఇస్తున్నా. ఏమైంది ఇక్కడ 3 డాట్స్ ఇచ్చాను కదా, 123 అని. ఇప్పుడు లాగిన్ కొట్టగానే ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ పాస్వర్డ్ లో?
ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది అంటే
యూ విల్ గెట్ n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డాట్స్.
yes.
ఓకేనా? సో లాగిన్ కొడితే మీరు ఇక్కడ చూడండి, పాస్వర్డ్ లో ఈ ప్లేస్ హోల్డర్ లో చూడండి, చూడండి చాలా వచ్చాయి కదా. So there what will happen, the moment you click on enter or submit, immediately it will encrypt your password. So that what will happen, hackers, they are not able to hack your password. Even though if they will hack your password, that they will get it in different format. They are not able to read that message. It will be there in machine readable format. Again, what they need to do, they need to decrypt that. If they want to decrypt it, again we are going to set up one key. That key they need to provide. Otherwise, they are not able to hack your passwords. Understood? That's why we are very secure in banking applications. Understood? So again, this is the interview question, guys. If you are going with the 2 years of experience or fresher, they may ask you this question: what is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? Today I gave 2 interview questions: RAML version 1.0 and difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. Next. So, okay. Now, can you see here? Saved 4 minutes ago. Understood? It will say why? Because I did not write anything. I explained, right? Okay. Now, see again, it is saving few seconds ago. Why? Because I entered something. Now,
sir, there you can take only HTTPS only, right, sir? Why have you taken both?
just I'm giving examples. These are all optional. I told you, right? This is dummy. This is the blueprint of our API. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Next. So if I want to construct, if you want to build any kind of API, we need to remember 5 things. Okay, I'll tell you that 5 things. You just remember, okay? If you remember all these 5 things, okay, you can build, you can construct any kind of API very easily, guys. So ఇప్పుడు చెప్పే 5 మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే you can construct any kind of API very easily, I can say. Okay. Where it went. I think I got deleted that slide. Okay, this one. Here it is. Okay. So if you want to construct, if you want to build any kind of RESTful API, we need to remember these 5 things. Okay. First one is resource path. Resource path is nothing but just a name. Okay. You can provide any name. Okay, but you have to write this slash. You can provide any name. This we can call it as resource path. Okay. Next one is methods. We do have so many methods. Almost 10 to 15 methods will be there. But in real time, we are going to use only these 5 methods. Okay. And which method, when we are going to use get method, when we are going to post in coming classes, I will tell you. But you just remember this. Next one, request, response, status code. See, I'll give you 1 minute of time. You have to remember all these 5 things in proper order. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you have to, tell me in a proper order. If you remember these 5, next 10 classes, we are going to follow same structure. Okay. Okay, I'll give you 1 minute. Just you can remember all this. So are you able to see my screen or not?
Yes, sir.
Someone texted me like they're not able to see. You just, drop up and again you can log in. Okay. Swapna.
Why we are used for these 4 things?
5 things.
Sir, 5 things.
Why? Because if you want to construct something, what you will do? You are going to follow some structure, right?
Okay.
First, you can create a base. On top of it, what you will do? You will keep some bricks, then iron. On the above, you will put some slab, right?
Oh, right.
Like this. These are the things which we need to use it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you guys are okay with the 5 things?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Can someone tell me what is the first one?
Resource
Resource
path.
path.
Resource path.
Very good. Resource path.
Method.
Methods.
And request.
Request. Response.
Response.
Status code.
And
Response.
HTTP status code.
HTTP status.
Very good. So if you remember these 5 things, it will be very easy, guys. I'll show you now. Okay. How to write resource path?
With
It
slash.
starts with a slash.
Slash.
You can provide any name.
Yes.
Let me write hero. Hero is also one of the name, right?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes. Yes.
Mango. This is also one of the name, right? See, resource path is nothing but it is a name. You can provide any name. Okay. But what we are doing here, we are building a calculator API. In
Yes.
calculator API, Mango will be there. No, right? Hero? No.
No.
What will be there?
Addition.
Addition. Very good. We need to write this. So if someone will see, okay, this guy is going to build a calculator API and he is going to perform some addition operation. Now it should be some meaningful, right? So this is called resource path. Okay. And just click on enter. What is the next one?
Method.
Method, right? If
Yes.
you hit enter, immediately all the methods will be displayed. Can you see? Methods. You got it right? All the methods. So any one method you can use it for time being. I'll go with the get method. What is the next one?
We do the request.
Request. Very good.
Request.
So request, you can send in 4 different ways. Okay. Request you can send through body, through query parameters you can send, through headers you can pass, through URI parameter you can pass it. 4 ways. Okay. For each and every class we will see one method. Okay. Today what we'll do, request we can pass in the form of query parameter. Okay. Let me select this query parameter. So what do you mean by this query parameter? Anyone having any idea?
క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఉంటుంది అది సార్ట్ చేస్తుంది.
Very good. So without knowing this query parameter, daily you guys are using, guys. But you did not notice, that's it. Already daily basis you guys are using. If you are searching something in the internet, let's say ramel. Okay. The moment I click on enter, what will happen? Can you see? Every time what you will do, you will search something and you can see down, right? Did you guys observe this by any chance? No, right? Okay, you can see here google.com search. Can you see this question mark?
Yes.
This
Yes.
question mark we can call it as query parameter.
Query parameter.
Okay. Can you see what it is passing? Q is nothing but query parameter. It is passing ramel. So what query parameter will do? Query parameter is going to filter or sort the resources. That means in Google we have so many things, right? In Google you can search movies, fruits, animals, cars, cricket, Gmail, Facebook, so many things we can search, right? Out of that, what you will get, exact one. Because whatever the request which you are going to pass it, this query parameter, it is going to validate it. It is going to filter that in Google and it will give the response back. Okay. See, now I'm not going to change this anything. This ramel I'll keep as it is. Here, can you see in this ramel, I'm writing cricket. So if I hit enter, what will happen? The entire UI will be changed. Can you see? It got changed or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So the definition of query parameter is used to filter or sort the resources. Very, very important interview question. Okay. Just remember that. So here I need to pass some request, right? Now let me open calculator. See, I want to perform something. 4 plus 6. What is this 4 and 6?
Numerical numbers.
Numbers, right? Very good. These numbers I am giving as a request, right or wrong? If I click on equal to, what will happen?
It will add addition.
Output.
What it will come?
10.
Response. Very good. 10 as a response, we will get it. Okay. But what I am passing? 4 plus 6. These are the numbers. Okay. So I want to pass some numbers. Okay. Here what I will do? Number 1. So what is the type of this number?
Integer.
Very
Integer.
good. Integer or number, anything you can write it. 1 second. I think this got stuck. Okay. What happened? Okay, let me refresh or reload. Okay, someone got mute. Okay, type is what? So the moment you click on type, all types you are getting. Okay, you can select anyone. Let me select integer. Next, if this number 1 is required,
No.
no. If you are not passing number 1, how you are going to perform addition? If you are not passing number 1, how you
We
can
can add only
calculate?
direct integers only, right? మనం ఓన్లీ ఇంటీజర్ నంబర్స్ నే కదా సార్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం.
That is what I'm asking. ఇక్కడ నంబర్ ఈ నంబర్ 1 అనేది రిక్వైర్డ్ కదా.
ఓకే.
సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే రిక్వైర్డ్ ట్రూ. ఓకేనా?
Yes.
Next, what we need to do? Number 2. Number 2, where we need to pass?
After the number 1. Number 1
Exact down of the numbers.
Very good. Exactly under the number 1 we need to pass. Otherwise we will not get. Why? Because can you see calculator I opened here, right? So if I pass 6 here, if I pass 4 here, will I get output? No, right?
No.
So in similar way, wherever you are passing number 1, exactly under same line, we have to pass number 2. Number 2. Again type, just type T, automatically it will come. Select it. Again, we can choose it. If you want integer, just type I, automatically it will come. See, we are not going to write any code, just we are selecting here. So what you need to learn, which one we need to select, when we need to select, that you have to learn. ఏది సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఎప్పుడు సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలని తెలుసుకుంటే చాలు, మీరు ఈజీగా ఈ కోడ్ మొత్తం రాసేస్తారు. ఇది కోడ్ కాదు, జస్ట్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, నౌ how many we completed? Resource path is done, method is done, request is done. Next, what we need to pass?
Response.
Where we need to write response?
Under request.
Under
Under
request.
request. Where is the request here? What is the request here?
Query parameters.
Very good. Query parameter. See, if I click on enter, I'm not able to see response, right? Here, are you able to see any response? No, right? Let me go one step back. Here, nothing. Here, are you able to see any response?
Yes.
Very good. You can see it here. Responses.
Beside the rest.
Exactly under request, we need to pass some response. See, we are using some status codes, right? After response. Success or fail. So let me select 200. 200 means always success.
Success.
Okay. Here you can write some syntax. Body. So what kind of format we are using? JSON. For RESTful APIs, always we need to go with the JSON. Okay. And then example. In this example, I am writing response, saying that result
Request.
addition is 10. Okay. So now my API got completed. Can you see here? Resource path is
Yes.
done, method is done, request is done, response is done, status code is done. All 5 done, right? Whatever I showed you earlier. Resource path, method, request, response, status code. That's it. Our API is completed. Next,
So why we are use their examples, that means for printing a message or another
for
reasons?
printing a displaying a message, right? If you are giving two values, you are getting some response, right? For that purpose, we have to use this. Okay. Now, once we create API, what we need to do? We have to test that, right?
So here, what is the status code, sir? HTTP, sir?
200. 200 means okay.
Okay.
I will explain you all the status codes in coming classes. Okay, let me click on this get method. Try it. So there are some required fields. What are the required fields here? Number one, number two, right? Let me pass some number. 4,
6.
6. If I click on send, what will happen? Can you see? I got the message saying that
Yes.
result addition is 10, right?
Right.
So if you don't want to show this addition is 10, what you can do? Directly put like this. Okay, 10. Again, let me click on send. See, result 10. Okay. See, 200 okay response, you got it, right? Now what I will do, I'm going to pass different values. 8, 9. So what is the output I will get now?
17.
17.
17.
Very good. 17 will get, right?
The result
No.
is 10.
Let me click
No.
on send.
Result is 10.
404.
No, result is 10.
Why we are getting result is 10?
It is static.
Static.
V
Okay.
game.
See 8, 9. See, I did not implement any logic, right? To perform addition and all. This is the API. API is nothing but blueprint of your API. That means if you are giving some request, it is going to give some response. That's it. Okay. So this is just a design, guys. Imagine.
Sir, here one. Sir, in calculator lo మనం addition symbol ఇచ్చాం, right?
Wait. So are you able to see this image?
Yes.
What is this?
Swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Can we swim in this?
No.
Why?
It's just an image.
This is just a design, okay? Here also what will happen? Here you will not get the exact output, exact values. This is just a design, okay? Whatever we are going to create in the design center, everything will be blueprint of your requirement. That's it. Everything will be dummy. Understood? So this is called design. Okay, tomorrow what we'll do? This API we will import to Studio and we will start the development. Okay, in the development what will happen? Whatever you design, okay, that we need to, based on this design, we are going to do some development. In the development, you will get the exact values. Let's say if you are passing 8 plus 9, it will give how much? 17. If you are passing 90 plus 8, you will get 98. But here, whatever you are writing in the response, same you will get. Let's say instead of 10, if you are writing movie, so what you are passing here? 3 plus 40. If you click on send, what you will get?
Movie
Very good.
error will be.
Movie only you will get, not error. Why you will get error?
ఇప్పుడు నంబర్స్ ఇచ్చాం కదా సార్, అది ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇచ్చినది
Here I mentioned
Character
number
కదా.
1, number 2. నేను
Sir, ఇక్కడ
రెస్పాన్స్
అది
లో మెన్షన్
addition
చేయలేదు
ఎలా
కదా.
తీసుకుంటుంది సార్?
I have written response like that only. So that's why I explained.
నేను రెస్పాన్స్ ఇది రాసిన కాబట్టి ఇదే వస్తుంది. ఓకే,
ఇక్కడ అది అడిషన్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటుంది? మరి సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా మన కోడ్. మీరు ఎలా
మళ్ళీ రాయాలి, సబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్ కి సపరేట్ రాయాలి.
లేదు, ఇప్పుడు అది 1+1 అని మనం నార్మల్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ 1+1 అడిషన్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం. సరే, ఇక్కడ మీరు అడిషన్ అనేది దానికి ఏ విధంగా పాస్ చేశారు కోడ్?
అది డెవలప్మెంట్ లో చేస్తామని చెప్తున్నా. అర్థమైందా? రేపు క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వండి, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఎలా పాస్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? ఇది జస్ట్ డిజైన్, దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? Any questions here?
Type here we can use only for data
responses
types, or that is another use for there.
No use, just data types. Let's say, let me remove this. What and all will be there, all types you can use it. These are all you can use, that's it. Okay.
మీరు 200 రెస్పాన్స్ ఎందుకు ఇచ్చారు? 200
సక్సెస్ కి అది రూట్, సక్సెస్ ని 200 అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తా చూడు, హెచ్డిటిపి స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ చూడు 200 అంటే ఏముంది?
ఓకే
ఓకే, మనకేమొచ్చింది ఇక్కడ?
మనకు అది సక్సెస్ కాదని రిజల్ట్ తెలియదు కదా.
ఏంటండి?
మనం అవుట్పుట్ రన్ చేసే వరకు మనకి సక్సెస్ అని తెలియదు కదా.
అలా కాదు, ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏమనుకుంటున్నాము, స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ ఇలా ఉండాలి అనుకుంటున్నాం. ఓకేనా? సో వాళ్ళు డిజైన్ ఏం చేస్తారు, ఓకే మీకు ఒక బ్లూ ప్రింట్ చూపిస్తారు, ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఇది స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్, ఇక్కడ ప్లాంట్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఇక్కడ చైర్స్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి. జస్ట్ ఇమాజినేషన్, మీకు ఒక బ్లూ ప్రింట్ చూపిస్తారు కదా. మనం కూడా ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే, ఒక అడిషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే ఏముండాలి, 2 numbers అనేది ఉండాలి. ఓకేనా? ఆ 2 నెంబర్లు మ్యాండిటరీ అయి ఉండాలి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాను, నెంబర్ 1 మ్యాండిటరీ, నెంబర్ 2 మ్యాండిటరీ, ఇక్కడ 2 ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నా. ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది, ఫైనల్ గా ఒక అవుట్పుట్ అనేది వస్తుంది. ఒక అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుంది, అది కరెక్టా కాదా పక్కన పెట్టండి. ఓకేనా? అవుట్పుట్ అయితే వస్తుంది కదా. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏంటంటే స్విమ్మింగ్ పూల్ మనకు డిజైన్ లో ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? నీకు డెవలప్మెంట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇలానే రాకపోవచ్చు, అర్థమైందా? నీకు ఈ ప్లాంట్ అవైలబుల్ లేకపోయిండొచ్చు అట్లా. ఓకేనా? సో అది మనకి మనం ఇచ్చినట్టు, ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ డిజైన్ మీరు కావాలని చెప్పారు అనుకో డిజైనర్ కి, వాడు ఇలా చేయకుండా వేరే విధంగా చేస్తే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, మాకు నచ్చలేదు మళ్ళీ రీడిజైన్ చేయండి అంటారు, అంతే కదా. సో అక్కడ కూడా డెవలప్మెంట్ లో ఏమవుతుందంటే, మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఇన్పుట్ ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాను, 3+5 ఇచ్చాను, అక్కడ 8 రాకుంటే రాంగ్. ఓకేనా? అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఏం చేయాలా, ప్రాపర్ గా డెవలప్ చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా? సో మీరు నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అవుతే మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది డెవలప్మెంట్. ఓకేనా? సో దీని కంటిన్యూషన్
ఇది సేవ్ చేసుకొని
మీరు సేవ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ఆటోమేటిక్ గా సేవ్ అయిపోతుంది. లెట్స్ సే నేను ఇప్పుడు లాగౌట్ చేస్తా. ఓకేనా? నేనేం సేవ్ చేయలేదు చూడు, లాగౌట్ చేసిన, మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవుతా. ఇప్పుడు సో లాగిన్ అవుతే ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, ఇది డిజైన్ సెంటర్లో క్లిక్ చేస్తే మీరు సేవ్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉన్నది. ఇక్కడ చూడు, ఆల్రెడీ మనము క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా, దీన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఓపెన్ అయిపోతుంది అంత.
ఇది ఓన్లీ డెవలపింగ్ చేసేదానికి మాత్రమే, డిజైన్ చేసేదానికి మాత్రమే ఇది వాడతాం.
అంతే, డిజైన్ మాత్రమే ఒక టూల్ అంతే. ఇది అప్లికేషన్ అంటాము. డెవలప్మెంట్ కి ఇక్కడ ఎనీపాయింట్ స్టూడియో అని ఉంటుంది, ఇలా ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఇది రేపు చెప్తాను.
మీరు ఎనీపాయింట్ స్టూడియో చూపించారు కదా, అక్కడ లాజిక్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తారా?
కరెక్ట్, దేర్ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ అవర్ బిజినెస్ లాజిక్.
మరి లాజిక్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తే కోడింగ్ ఉన్నట్టే కదా?
అదే మీకు చెప్తాను, మీరు అటెండ్ అయితే కదా తెలిసేది. లాజిక్ అంటే నేను ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తానా, ఏం చేస్తానో చూద్దాం రేపు. ఓకేనా? చూద్దాం. నేను గిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తాను అనుకోండి, సో మీకు అర్థం కాలేదనుకోండి జాయిన్ అవ్వద్దు, అంతే. ఓకేనా? మీకు ఏముండాలి, కోర్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలంటే ఈజీగా నేర్చుకోవాలి, మంచి ప్యాకేజ్ తో జాబ్ రావాలి, అంతే కదా.
మేము కోడింగ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కదా, యాక్చువల్ కోడింగ్ వద్దనే ఇది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం, మళ్ళీ కోడింగ్ ఉంది అంటే అని.
కోడింగ్ ఉండదండి, ఇప్పుడు లాజిక్ అంటే కోడ్ రాయాలని ఎవరు చెప్పారు?
ఏమో మేము అనుకుంటున్నాం, వచ్చిన బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అలాంటిది కదా.
ఓకే కూల్. అందుకే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే, అందుకే నేను చెప్పింది, అందరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే డెమో 1 day చెప్పేసి వదిలేస్తారనమాట. ఓకేనా? మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఏంది అనేసి. అందుకే నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా అంటే 3-4 క్లాసెస్ ఫ్రీగా చెప్తాను. మీకు నచ్చిందా కంటిన్యూ అవ్వచ్చు. ఓకేనా? మీకు నేను చెప్పేది అర్థం కాలేదు లేదా మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడానికి ఇబ్బందిగా ఉంది, అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే వేరే టెక్నాలజీ, వేరే ట్రైనర్నా అట్లా చూసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
క్లియర్?
ఈ కోర్స్ వీక్లీ ఎన్ని డేస్ అంటారు?
డైలీ ఉంటుందండి క్లాస్,
మండే టు సండే.
సో మీకు సాటర్డే సండే వద్దంటే we will discuss, we will close that.
సార్ మార్నింగ్ టైం క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయా?
మార్నింగ్ ఇప్పుడు జరుగుతున్నాయండి బ్యాచెస్, నాకు మళ్ళీ ఆఫీస్ ఉంటుంది కదా, కుదరదు. నేను చెప్తాను ఆ బ్యాచ్ అయిపోయినాక. మంత్కి 2 బ్యాచెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను నేను అంతే, మార్నింగ్ ఒకటి ఈవినింగ్ ఒకటి.
సో మీరు ప్రజెంట్ ఏ కంపెనీలో చేస్తున్నారు సార్?
నేను
Present
బ్రాడ్
ఏ
రిడ్జ్ లో
company?
చేస్తున్నాను. బ్రాడ్ రిడ్జ్ ఫినాన్స్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీ.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్. ఇందాక రిక్వెస్ట్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు రిక్వెస్ట్ కెన్ పాస్ త్రూ 4 ways అన్నారు. అది మిస్ అయిన ఒకసారి చెప్తారా? హెడర్, క్వరీ పారామీటర్.
హెడర్స్, క్వరీ పారామీటర్, యుఆర్ఐ పారామీటర్, బాడీ అన్ని మీకు చెప్తాను కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్ లో 1 by 1. ఓకేనా? మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే డైలీ నేను ఏం చెప్పినా యాస్టీస్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే చాలు అంతే.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు రేపటికి ఇదంతా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినారు అనుకో, ఫెయిర్ ఎనఫ్ అంతే. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్?
Yes sir.
ఓకే గైస్, టుమారో విల్ మీట్ సేమ్ టైం సేమ్ లింక్.
ఇది
మీకు ఈరోజు చెప్పిన క్లాస్ మీకు పంపిస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
ఇది ఎందులో పంపిస్తారు సార్? ఇది నిన్న రికార్డింగ్, ఇంకా ఇది ఈ రికార్డింగ్.
నిన్న సారీ నేను బయటికి వెళ్ళాను, మర్చిపోయాను. సో నిన్నటి డెమో ఈ రోజు 2 కలిపి మీకు వాట్సాప్ లో పంపిస్తాను. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ
సార్. వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ కంటే గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా సార్?
గ్రూప్ లో ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు డెమోకి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ జాయిన్ అవ్వరు క్లాసెస్. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు నేను మీ అందరినీ గ్రూప్ లో యాడ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ మీరు కంటిన్యూ కాకుంటే రిమూవ్ చేస్తా, ఇదంతా పని కదా. 3 క్లాసెస్ తర్వాత ఎవరైతే రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకొని కోర్స్ ఫీ పే చేస్తారో వాళ్ళని యాడ్ చేసేస్తారు. ఓకేనా?
మీ నంబర్ ఏ సార్? పర్సనల్ 7 మీ నంబర్ ఏ సార్?
నా నెంబరే అండి, గ్రూప్ లో ఉంటుంది చూడండి. మీరు గ్రూప్ లో నుంచి వచ్చింటే లేదా వేరే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నుంచి వచ్చింటే వాళ్ళని అడగండి, వాళ్ళు ఇస్తారు. ఓకేనా?
మీన్స్ 687766 సార్?
కాదండి. ఓకేనా? ఇది నా నెంబర్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ మీ నెంబర్ అడిగితే ఇవ్వట్లేదు సార్ వాళ్ళు.
ఏ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ అడిగారండి?
సాఫ్ట్ టెక్ ఏదో ఉంది.
సాఫ్ట్ టెక్.
Can you continue with English?
Yeah, he is asking my number. Okay.
సార్ సాఫ్ట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అని ఒకటి ఉంది సార్, అది అందులో నుంచి మీ నెంబర్ అడిగితే ఇవ్వట్లేదు. ట్రైనర్ మాట్లాడాలని చెప్పేసి అన్నారు.
No, not like this. First time I'm hearing that institute name.
When I asked yesterday from VLR Technology, they are not ready to reveal
VLR, you can check with Vikram. Okay, you can ask him.
I checked with him yesterday. He's not ready to give your contact number.
Okay, I'll inform to them. Okay. See what they are thinking, if they'll give number directly to you, you guys, if you are not continuing, if you pay to me, so they are going to lose some amount, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason they are not able to provide. Okay.
Yes. Actually, yesterday I asked him for one doubt, like Mule 3, Mule 4 we have, right? If we learned Mule 4 and if I got requirement from Mule 3.
Mule 3 will not get it. Why? Because Mule 3, hardly 1 or 2 companies are using that set.
Okay.
That companies also, they are going to migrate that Mule 3 project into Mule 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Then, like, is there any chance to ask migrate from Mule 3 to Mule 4? Will it be like that?
No, they won't ask you. Like, see, while scheduling interview only, they may ask you, like, do you have experience with the Mule 4? Are you a certified developer and all? Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bhargav, I have a small doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఒక కంపెనీలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను, బట్ అందులో ఈ ఏపీఐ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాను, బట్ పర్టికులర్ టీమ్ అనేది లేదు. సో నాకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉన్నా నాకు యూజ్ లేదు కదా, ఇట్లా సపరేట్ టీమ్ లేకపోతే. అట్లాంటప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి?
మీరు యూ కెన్ టేక్ దట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఓకే, నా క్లాసెస్ ఫాలో అవుతూ ఉండండి. ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ వచ్చినప్పుడు నాకు చెప్పండి ఎలా చేయాలి, ఐ కెన్ గైడ్ యూ. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ కేస్ మీరు కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేశారనుకోండి, మీరే చేయొచ్చు.
నా డౌట్ ఏంటంటే నేను వేరే కంపెనీకి వెళ్ళాలి నాకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది అని. బట్ నేను ప్రెసెంట్ యూజ్ చేసే కంపెనీలో నేను జస్ట్ సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తున్నాను. బట్ మ్యూర్ లో ఉంది నాకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్.
If you are working any company, okay, right now you are associated with one company, right? You are working on any technology. If you are moving to other company, they won't check whether did you work only a MuleSoft or not. Okay.
Yeah, that doubt I'm having. They won't ask to our company, right?
No, they won't ask
Actually
anything.
working.
Even company, they won't share, okay? Just they will send a mail whether she worked on this organization with this so date or not. For that, they will reply. That's it.
Okay then. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Any other questions?
Yes, I have one doubt. I have 5 years of gap.
Okay.
So can I keep only 2.5 years of experience as a Mulesoft?
Minimum, yeah, 2 to 3 we will keep. Okay.
Okay. So I'm confused
Reduce,
about
I can
that.
guide you. Okay.
Okay. Also, I have knowledge of manual testing. So can I keep 1 year as a manual testing, or it's not
Total
required?
you have 5 years, right? What you can
Yeah.
do? 2.5 years into manual testing and 2 years into Mule.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll take separate session for that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Sure. Thanks for your time.